Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to hide likes on Instagram posts globally. Hiding likes on Instagram can be done in two ways. Hiding like counts on all posts so you don't see them, or hiding the like count on your own posts so others can't see them. To hide like count on all posts, like globally, this prevents you from seeing number of likes and shares on any post or reel you scroll past in your feed. So go to your profile at the bottom right, tab the menu, 3 lines in the top right, scroll down to what you see section. Oh, let me type it here. No, sorry, what you see, right? Or you can just type likes and share counts, right? And all you gotta do is just turn on hide like and share count. The second way is to hide likes on your own posts. This hides the like count from your followers and viewers for specific photos or reels. So for existing posts, go to the posts. Right, let's say this one. Right. Now tap the 3 dots in the top right. Right. And select hide like count. Right, let me find it somewhere here. You can turn off commenting, hide share count. Also, you can hide the likes. Sorry. Now, for new posts, before sharing, I'm gonna go ahead to my draft if I have one. But in my case, I don't have one, so I'm gonna create a new draft. Right? Go to advanced settings for more options. Right? You can turn off commenting, hide like count on this post. Just turn it on. Note, you will always be able to see the total number of likes on your own posts by tapping the list of names. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.